Guys, I'm sitting outside of my house and I think this is not my account, it is my mom's. But my mom down to YouTube, TikToks, and my name is Jaylee, and I think you are doing too much for me to giving me a lot of likes, guys. Follow, but not follow me here because and please subscribe, guys, because I want to get a golden play button. And guys, I love to be on TikTok or on YouTube because it's love um to do some TikTok and laugh and just playing with the but guys. I think you're doing too much for me, guys. You are doing too much, guys. Not doing too much, guys. You don't have to do too much for me. Please don't do too much, please.